How to edit menu in Wix Studio. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to edit your menu. So look over here on our header at the top. We can see that we already have a menu over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply double click our header until we select our menu over here. So simply click it. There we go. Then click on our horizontal menu or whatever menu that you have and click on manage menu. After that, we will then be able to modify our menu over here so we can now add items into this. So we could add links or submenus or mega menus over here. So let's say links over here. And then you can simply select the specific page you want to be redirected to. So for example, I want to be redirected to that. And we could add that as you can see. And we could change the arrangement over here. We could rearrange them as you can see, and you could also create different menus over here. So if you want to use a menu content of another menu, you could create a different sets of menu over here if you want. So if you want on your different page, you have different sets of menus. So for example, here you have different page menu. Over here you have a different product menu, stuff like that. You could easily do that through the manage menu section over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.